Shalom, my brother and sister in Christ. Topic today, I like to tell you. If you are a post-tribulation rapture believers, or you don't believe the rapture, you only believe the second coming. Okay, even though you believe the end times, and we are living in the end times. All right, and you believe also you must endure 7 years tribulation, or including even though you are not Christian. You better off run off now, escape now from the city, and live in rural isolated area. Avoid the wicked tyrant government. It's happening right now, okay, with this scamdemic. And their slow killer, GB Jabo, the sauce, satanic sauce. You know I'm talking about. I don't have to explain it. Because the censorship here in YouTube. I'm telling you about this code, okay? This is preparing for the beast system. What's happening right now? Okay, from that great global reset and New World Order agenda. And this thing to prepare for the beast system and the Antichrist or the first beast in 7 years tribulation. This come from Satanist globalists. Okay? I'm suggesting to you, I'll give you the tip. Live in the area that government cannot track and reach you. Not use the Wi-Fi, smart devices, including the phone. If you can find or buy, use satellite phone. Satellite phone, if you still want to communicate with the others, with this satellite phone, government cannot track you. Government cannot track you if you don't have a smart device. Unless, that credit card have the chip. Then government can track you too. Don't use credit card or debit card with the chip on it. Other than you pay by cash. But for how long? Alright? That's why this system, the one I'm talking about from this New World Order agenda, they want to make cryptocurrency without or cashless, without cash society. And finally, they're planning to do that related with this pandemic. I'm telling you, have a connection and social credit score, like what happening in China. This thing is part kind of like communist, because their dreams and vision mention the beast system is communism, and the Sharia law from their Islam religion. That's what I see. All right. Okay. Again to those the post-tribers and unbelievers who have to face 7 years tribulation. This is not including the bride of Christ or pre-tribulation rapture believer or pre-tribers, not including them. Of course, not all pre-tribers can get raptured. If they sin against God, they ended up left behind too. That's why you guys have to be prepared not to sin in purpose. Keep looking up to bless hope, this rapture, and have a good relationship with Jesus Christ. So, again, I'm telling you about these people who don't believe pre-tribulation rapture, don't believe the rapture at all, and have to endure 7 years tribulation. Move on from the city, live in the rural area, okay, or isolated area, nobody difficult to find. Then live there, and grow your own food, hunting the food in the wildlife to survive. Even though, you can prepare the food you buy at the store, a lot, stock up the food to survive. Alright? A lot of food too, and the other necessities. So government cannot track you. This is the tip if you want to live longer in 7 years tribulation. Of course, during 7 years tribulation, there are a lot of wars, natural disasters, and diseases too. Demonic attack, and can cause the food is not growing, not many food. and all the water very poison, and the food poison too. People cannot eat it. The famine is so greatly. A lot of people don't have any idea. A lot of people, majority people in the world, even Christian themselves, they don't have any idea about that. We living toward in that direction. What about 7 years tribulation on the God's wrath or the Jacob trouble? They don't have any idea how it look like. Alright? Mass population will die because of that. The Bible very clear in Revelation 6. It's mentioned. I think in Revelation 6, let me Google it first rather than I say wrong. First, 1/3 or 1/6. Yeah. The population will die. Okay, from that all that stuff, the war, famine, the pestilences. And more that a lot of time these pestilences happen, not God created, from by a weapon. Human made by themselves. Is that you see that including this scamdemic? Could be the natural thing happen because the natural disasters and the hygienic lifestyle is not clean. There's more disease spread from that natural disaster, and nuclear war and war can cause a lot of disease too from that. So it says here, Revelation 6, yeah. So what it says here? Let me see how many people who died. Yeah, just I want to tell clear to you. Let me find it in the other version. This I don't like to read. I'm looking in this Google through my desktop while I'm talking this on my phone, rather than I Google it on my phone today. Let me see. I think it's for me. It's better read through the King James version. Besides that, more accurate translation rather than that corrupted translation like such as NIV. I don't like that version at all. But you guys, if you think want to read that, it's okay. But you have to compare with the real good translation. This NIV Bible is just too much missing a word. They take away the word from there. So that's why this Bible corrupted. So make people get misleading by the false doctrine in the first place. Let me see if I can find. Yeah, 1/4. So a quarter of the world population will die. Even in the beginning of 7 years tribulation. 1/4. Revelation 6 verse 8. The first one. After that, I think in Revelation 9. From that whole entire population already died. And then about that 1/4 and that verse. 1/3. So more 1/3 than 1/4. 1/4 is a quarter, 25%. That 1/3 is about 33.3% who will die. That almost in mid-great tribulation. Not quite in mid-great tribulation yet. One I understand in the Bible. Let me see. 1/3. I think I'm pretty sure after I read that. Yeah. Is that right? Revelation 19, I'm pretty sure. Let me Google it to make things easier to me to find it. Died. Bible, 1/3 population died. I think Revelation 9. Yeah, Revelation 9 verse 15. Alright. Revelation 9 verse 15, it says, okay, 1/3 of population will die. From there all, this satanic demonic attack, these four fallen angels loose to slay 1/3 of the population. At first 1/4 and the other 1/3. Then before mid-great tribulation, after mid-great tribulation of 7 years tribulation, could much more who will die. Alright? So, I'm telling you about this, what will happen in the 7 years tribulation. Again, talking about this, my tips earlier. Yeah, to those who don't believe it, the better of you prepare right now. Now it's already almost kind of late anyway. I believe I will be raptured. I'm the bride of Christ. So I don't have to worry until stock up, pile up the food like that for years and years, or to escape from wicked government and live in the rural area. No, I'm not to worry about that. I just want to prepare for the rapture. If you aware that what the Bible teaches about pre-tribulation rapture and believe what I'm telling you, you don't have to do that. This is my point. This is the tip. You want to live longer in 7 years tribulation, like I told you earlier, to escape that from the city, from the wicked governments controlling you or tracking you. Live there like in the wild, grow your own food, hunting your own food, stock up a lot of food, water and the other necessities for a long time, as best as you can if you have the money. If you don't have the money, well, the best just live in the wild. You could do that too. Not accused you don't have the money. You can make your own food. Of course, you just have to buy the prep to grow the food. Yeah, of course, that costs money too. That's the problem. If you don't have the money, you're your own fault because you do not want to try to work hard. You need to work hard to save the money in the first place. Why become broke in the first place? That have the way go. Anything, any job, don't become lazy. Bible very clear says, lazy people cannot eat. I don't remember which one the passages. Alright? And yeah, I'm telling you this, yeah, to stay longer, but you know, guarantee can live long time because that war, famine very bad, that pestilence, demonic attack, a lot of people die from that. When a lot of bodies and all over the places in the world can cause a lot of disease too, because so many bacteria, parasites, stuff like that. It's not the virus. Virus is about just poison, man-made by weapon. That's all. Poison man use it. Pesticide, poisoning food, water, air we breathe, not just through this satanic sauce. The one I'm talking about. All the stuff like that. So, yeah, the Bible also tell the water during, especially after mid-great tribulation, become bitter taste. Who want to drink the bitter water? Then sell in the Bible, if you don't know about that. So, you see what happened with Israel, okay? Israel, in the mid-great tribulation, they will stay in the wilderness. I think around the area like in the Petra, a lot of Bible scholars mention in Petra, I think not too far, in Jordan country. That's what they say. It mentioned also in the Old Testament Bible. I don't remember what the chapter it said that, I forget. I know that mentioned in Bible too about Petra, the place. Israel will escape from the Antichrist regime or dictatorship and stay in the wilderness. It says in Revelation 12, just right before mid-great tribulation, Revelation 12, the woman is Israel. It's not Catholic Mary. It's not the church. They're all misinterpreted. Very clear Israel. Because the woman with the sun, the moon, and the star, I think 11 or 12 stars. This is talking about the 12, the tribe of Israel. I think altogether 12. Alright, I'm pretty sure 12. Just to be sure I say right, not 11, I think. 11, by the way, is the number God's judgment. God's judgment, yeah, it's connected with God's judgment, the number 11. Israel's tribe. Is that alright? Yeah, altogether 12. Because in that Revelation 12, it says the woman with 12 stars. 12 stars representing the tribe of Israel. The woman is about Israel. Moon and star, the star and the sun is Jacob, the father of Israel. His name also Israel, Jacob. Okay, and the moon, his wife. I know he have a lot of wife from I remember. That's why he have a lot of children, the Jacob. And the stars, 12 stars, I'm pretty sure. Let me see again the Revelation 12. Alright. So, oh yeah, the star is 12. You see, 12 stars representing the tribe of Israel. Alright. And yeah, the moon and the star. So they're talking about Israel will escape in wilderness and God will protect them. During that, almost or after that big great tribulation. Just like Israel live in the wilderness. You can do that too right now. So, myself, like I told you earlier, alright, I'm pre-tribulation rapture believer and I trust God to rapture me before 7 years tribulation. So I don't have to worry for escaping from the satanic government, including the Antichrist later on in 7 years tribulation, because I will not be here. I only stock up some food, last for a few months, and preparing for the stuff in case the power grid off or EMP attack or electromagnetic. I'm not sure what P. Something like that. Attack. Electromagnetic frequency. EMP. Let me see. So you already been warned from me. Whether you want to take it or not, it's up to you. Whether you want to prepare or not, either way. Electromagnetic pulse. Attack. EMP. Electromagnetic pulse. So whether it could happen, electromagnetic pulse could happen during 7 years tribulation, because the nuclear war or natural disaster can create electromagnetic pulse and power grid off too. Once electromagnetic pulse, I know a lot of people wanted the EMP attack happen, and government have intention to do the EMP attack. You see, if they do that, it's meaning they cannot track the people anymore, including that 5G tower with the satellite for the cell phone get destroyed too. It will not function. And the power grid not function. So government cannot track you either, cannot track us, because not function with these smart devices, including the stuff they put in the satanic source, have the technology with that. Will off, so they cannot track us. Maybe they cannot track us several months, because they have to put back in power to fix it. That's what I see during the 7 years tribulation. Now you already been warning by me as the end time watchman on the wall. Whether you want to accept it or not, this one your choice. Pre-tribulation believer or post-tribber or non-rapture believer. So you do not believe the rapture at all. If you don't believe the rapture at all and you are post-tribbers, better off you don't living in the city. This is the good time to run off from the city, not relying on government. Take the cash money as many as you can. You still can work while living in the rural city. You could with a simple job, right now, to save some cash. This is the good time before too late. This is almost kind of late. Grow your own food. If you have the health problem condition and depend on the drug, that's more difficult. You more likely will die first than the healthy people because of this. And you could, because your health problem or in disability, you cannot live in the wild. You could try, but if very, very in the bad health condition, hospital become a death chamber anyway. So which one, especially with living in the end times, we cannot trust hospital. Like you see, when I'm talking about with this satanic source, happen all the time. So you've been warning the rapture right in the corner, like I mentioned you before, that rapture time frames, because the Jubilee year started from Yom Kippur, starting around sometime in October and September, I think, I forget. The middle of September. Started this year at the end until Yom Kippur, the earlier October next year. So this time frame from that to that. That's what I see right now. Yeah, if not happen next year, I will explain you more why the reason I make mistake in the first place about the rapture time frames. Because what I see, many Christmas rapture dreams and vision. Most Christians don't believe in. They just believe rapture happening on Rosh Hashanah. Like this, coming up Rosh Hashanah. I think Rosh Hashanah this year, September 7 to 9, something like that. It's just a few days away. I don't believe the rapture will happen like on that day. I don't believe that at all. Could be by Christmas this year. Could be. Because the time frame, that Rosh Hashanah, September 6 to September 8, this month. I don't believe it will happen then. Could be during Christmas season, because many Christmas rapture dreams and vision. See, not counting that. But this is I'm telling you, Lord, the Yom Kippur, the Jubilee year, from Yom Kippur this year, I think in the middle of September, 15, 16 September. I can Google it too. I know I mentioned already in my other video, but I forget the date. That's what the Bible said about that Jubilee year starting from Yom Kippur, not Rosh Hashanah. I believe what the Bible says. It's not man-made calendar or man-made custom, like Jewish custom, following the Rosh Hashanah. That's civil calendar. Rosh Hashanah is not God's calendar in the Bible. Not what Bible teaches about that. But Jubilee year starting in September 15 to September 16 this year. And will end, I think, October 4th to 5th next year. Yeah. Let me see. Yeah, October 4th to 5th, I'm right. So, until next year, that's the time frame. But since that Christmas already just only this year, but if the Christmas next year already passed the Jubilee time frame, by before October 4th to October 5th next year, if December next year is already past that according to Jubilee year, yeah. But this year is not past yet, December 2021, still including that time frame for Christmas rapture dreams and vision. That's what I believe. You believe that during Rosh Hashanah rapture time frame, most people teaching, even the preacher, it's up to you. After that will not happen, keep looking up, keep watching, even until Christmas. I believe that Christmas season, because many Christmas rapture dreams and vision that God revealed it to us. Then, if after October 4th and 5th next year, or after Yom Kippur next year, if rapture happened on Christmas next year, already passed during at that time. That's what I see. So more point out to this year. Besides, if the rapture happened on Christmas this year on Saturday still. That's what I see. December 25th, 2021, Saturday. I'm pretty sure. Saturday this year. Why I'm talking about rapture time frame on Sabbath? Because the Bible kind of give the hint. Okay, even though it's talking to Israel. When you escape, and you read in Matthew 24, when you escape, don't look back and remember your flight will be in the winter and Sabbath. Something like that. Not fly in winter, Sabbath. I think, let me see again. So I'm saying right to you. Yeah. So this kind of give the hint for the rapture time frame. Winter. Christmas is already winter time. Because already past December 21st. December 21st starting when winter. Already in winter for Christmas. And Christmas this year on Sabbath. Because Matthew 24 give the hint about that. Let me check, yeah. What in Matthew 24 clearly about that. Even though it's in Israel, okay, this for the church. Okay, the rapture for the church. Even though Jesus talking to Israel about this, yeah, this could point on to the rapture, to the rapture saint too. Hold on, if I can find the verse about that. So, I know I read there before. So pray be not happen. Your fly not happen during winter. Say not happen during winter and Sabbath. Something like that. Let me see. It said it. Matthew 24 verse 20. But pray ye that your flight. Before this verse, yeah, let me read you first, okay? Alright? I think it apply to the church first. Other than the Jews, during the 7 year tribulation, this verse also apply the church before 7 year tribulation, before the rapture event. Okay? Let him who is on the housetop not come down to take anything out of his house. Okay? Neither let him which is in the field. Sorry, this I got the messenger. Oh well, you guys can read it. That messenger Facebook, people asking the question. I'm continuing, okay? I don't want to make another video because of that. Neither let him, this is the field, return back to his clothes. Okay? It's meaning let him who is in the housetop not come down to take anything out of his house. The same thing during that, before that rapture. Neither let him, which is in the field, return back to take his clothes. When the rapture event, why you worried about the stuff in the world? You worried about the stuff in the world, even your family, you will be left behind like a Lot's wife. It's very clear. The same thing with this. Don't worry about your stuff in the house and also your clothes. Not just clothing. Cars, house, money, property. You worried about that, even your loved one. If they lie behind, oh well, you got to pay attention to God. If you worry about that, you be left behind from the rapture. This applies to rapture saints. The same thing for the Israel want to escape from the Antichrist. You worried about the house, the clothes in your bag. Why? God will take care, will provide. So you got to escape to wilderness. Same thing like I told you a little bit. These people who don't believe the rapture, you need to prepare now. Why are you worried about the property you have left behind or the thing in the city? Your other relative family who do not want to go with you or friends. Escape from the city, the best thing. If you still believe that post-trib rapture or don't believe the rapture. And says in the Bible very clear, Matthew 19. So continue on from that I'm reading to you. But pray you that your flight be not in the winter. Okay, hold on. Before that, I forgot. The verse is talking about don't worry about your clothing, your house, stuff like that. And woe unto them that are with child, and to them that give suck in those days. Woe. Kind of warning from God. Woe to people who have the little kid. Yeah, who still depend on the parent. I'm sorry, this is a bad time. If I put in this, I don't know. This message is too many questions. Okay. So, pray that your flight be not in the winter, neither on the Sabbath day. Okay? And for there shall be great tribulation, such as was not since the beginning of the world to this time, no, nor ever shall be. Okay? You can read the rest. So it's very clear. The Bible said, Matthew 24, verse 20, but pray ye that your flight be not in the winter, neither on the Sabbath day. Your flight not in the winter, or not on Sabbath day. And also could be applied to the rapture event. So this opposite direction. Pray not happen in winter and Sabbath. It says like that in Matthew 24, Verse 20. But verse 20, it happened during winter and on Sabbath, because Christmas this year is on Sabbath, that Saturday, during winter. Alright? Winter and Sabbath. Other than I mentioned about, you guys need to be prepared for those who don't believe the rapture, who believe post-tribulation rapture, who only believe Jesus' second coming, no rapture at all. You need to get out from the city right now before it's too late. I explained you already earlier. Thanks for listening.